Pero
Pero hindi
ngayon,
ka nagtanim ng sama ng loob doon sa mga nagtataray sa'yo or nang-i-snap sa'yo?
parang ang daddy ko kasi ang daddy ko ng driver ko. Siya ang laging nagsasabi sa akin na, hindi lang sa industriya, sabi niya, kapag matampuhin ka, talo ka sa buhay. Kapag
Correct.
pikon ka, matampuhin ka, mapagtanim ka ng sama ng loob, matatalo ka sa buhay. Kasi ang bigat ng magiging pamumuhay mo.
Tsaka idadalin mo
Lagi
sa
kang
bituin
may
mo.
bit-bit na, ano ko niya. Laging sinasabi ng daddy ko yun. Sabi niya, huwag kang magtatanim ng galit. Kasi bibigat ang pakiramdam mo, bibigat ang paningin mo sa buong paligid. Lagi kang yung parang maliit na bagay, triggered ka. Para kang ganito, na punong-puno ng tasa. Para kang ganyan, puro ka galit. Tapos matabig ka lang ng konti, matatapon ka na.
You have to give credit also to your parents kasi napaka-bait at saka maganda ang pag-guide nila.
And even si
Oo.
Paul, he told me na, don't ever think na tama ka, mali sila. Baka in their eyes, tama sila. Tama yung paningin nila sa'yo, yun ang paniniwala nila kasi hindi mo alam yung background nila eh, how they were raised, what environment they are in. Maybe in their world, what they think they said about you is right. And you just have to accept that and respect that. Kasi pananaw nila yun eh. It's not your job to convince them to like you or to win them. Your crown is not found in winning them over. Hindi yun yung
And
corona.
you cannot win them all.
You cannot win them all.
Right.
It's okay. It's okay to lose this battle. Sinabi ni Inang yun. I talked to Inang.
Olive Lumasan?
Yes.
Oh.
Nag-sit down interview kami. And she shared something very beautiful to me. She said, Tony, in this life, you have to know which battles you are willing to lose to win the war. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda nun.
Diba?
There are battles na hayaan mo nang matalo ka. Kasi you have to win the war in the end. So sabi ko, oo nga, no? Ito yung mga maliliit na bagay. Okay na yan. Parang mas madaling na let go mo na yung mga ganun bagay.